Today, we want to talk briefly about transmission control protocol, not necessarily the protocol and how it's implemented, but that Boomi uses it primarily with a lot of the higher level internet protocol suite. For instance, TCP or transmission control protocol is used for HTTP, HTTPS, IMAP, LDAP, and a host of other SNTP for mail, SSH, etc. And also TLS to secure sites is part of the TCP layer. Therefore, at times we need to capture the traffic that is transmitted by the TCP protocol. And this is done in one way in Linux environments by the product called TCPdump. So today, TCPdump has its own org page, and it has documentation, security, FAQ facts, and etc. to use it. Today, we'll just look at briefly how to install TCP on a Red Hat Linux server. So if you log into the server, then you simply need to do yum install TCP dump. And then what this will do is search out and then find a repository and then actually install it. Now you can run TCP dump dash I any dash W. Well, let's just do that. And then you can see that traffic is being captured. Common command we use is to write the file to TCP dump.pcap, and then that would be writing a file to this particular location. Once done there, you can upload that file for analysis. To uninstall, you simply do remove TCP dump, and then it is promptly removed. Thank you for listening and hope that helps.